Hey guys, it's Dora. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my self-tanning routine. So first of all, before I apply my self-tan, I make sure that my body is fully exfoliated. For that, I always use some body scrub. You can use any of them, but the best one are the sugar scrubs. And I also use these exfoliating gloves. You can use these gloves only with shower gel and it will be perfectly removed. And I also purchased this st.moriz tan eraser. However, I don't think that you need to purchase that item because you will just waste the money on that, because the exfoliating gloves is just £1 and you can remove all of your self-tan with that. When I finish the exfoliating, I always shave or epilate my legs and all of the other body parts. And then you need to moisturize your body, because it's really important for the body to be moisturized, because then it won't be streaky or it won't be patchy. I mean, you know, the tan. On that day, when I apply my self-tan, I always make sure that before I apply the self-tan, like 5-10 minutes before, I always moisturize my feet, my hands, and also my elbow and my knee, because these are the parts which usually darker than the other body parts. When your moisturizer is fully absorbed, you can start applying your self-tan. For that, it's really important to use a tanning mitt. I'm using the skinny tan one. It's really nice and it's a velvet one, so it has a really great quality. And you can make sure that your self-tan won't be patchy or streaky. My favorite self-tan is the Tanologist self-tan water. I bought this in medium color. It has a really nice formula and you can see an instant result within 4 hours. However, if you increase the time, you will increase the color of the tan. And usually I use this at night, and at the morning I have a really nice sun-kissed color. Usually I use this 2 days in a row and you will get a really nice color. After, when I wake up, I always shower it down, because you need to make sure that you remove the excess tan. As you saw from the bottle, it was only a couple of drops left in the Tanologist self-tan water. However, I already repurchased them. It was sold out on the website and I was so shocked and panicked that I won't get this amazing product. So I already ordered a lot from them. This one also an unboxing video, because I haven't got any time to unbox it. So let's see what is inside. As you can see, it has a really nice packaging, pink one. There is a card in this one, and I ordered 4 of the self-tan water. So as you can see, there is 4 self-tan water inside, because I was a little bit scared that it will be sold out again. And it was only £13 per bottle, but there was a coupon there that if you are new on the website, then you will get a 20% off. So I ordered this one for 46 or 50 pounds. I think it was a really good purchase. I also bought 2 products from the st.tropez, and this one is the Purity Vitamins. It was over 30 pounds and it has a really great smell. However, I haven't tried it yet. And I also bought the Bronzing Water Mousse. It was also over 30 pounds. I haven't tried this one also. However, I will do when I will finish the Tanologist one. I also purchased one of the st.moriz instant self-tanning mousse in medium color. I also haven't tried this one. However, I will do in the next week, so I will make a review video about it. And a couple of weeks ago, I've also tried the Bondi Sand Aero Tanning Mousse, and it was a horrible product. I bought them in a light color. However, when I applied it to my body, it turned out green and it had a horrible smell, so I needed to remove it instantly. And straight away, I just put them into the bin, because it was horrible. I also bought the Bondi Sand Gradual Tanning Milk, and it has also a horrible smell. So I applied it only once, but never again. And I will also put this to the bin, because it's horrible. You won't see any result, and just the smell is just not for me. My other favorite self-tan product is the Dove Derma Spa summer review body lotion. The only disadvantage of this one that you won't get an instant result, but if you are applying this day to day, you will have a really nice sun-kissed color. And this is only, I think, 4 or 5 pounds, so it's really cheap one. I always buy this one in fair to medium color because I'm afraid to use a really dark tone, because if you are applying a dark tone to a pale skin, then you will see any mistake really easily. The last product which I wanted to talk about is the Vita Liberata Body Blur. This one is more like a body foundation rather than a self-tan. It's a little bit expensive, I think it was over 30 pounds, and it's really great product. For example, if you need an instant tan within, immediately, and you want to go for a party, for example, and you can wash it off straight away when you go under the shower, and it's really nice. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel here or watch my other videos here. Please give this video a big thumbs up and see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye.